Hello guys, welcome to JobME Tech Solutions. Today we are going to work with layout designing in Android Studio for Android devices. Many people are always confused that where to start for Android layout designing, but they get no better results. So in this tutorial, we are going to work with a basic login activity design, and we'll talk about some basic elements which are very useful for to go with Android or any app development. Now without taking any time, let's open the Android Studio. This is the project that we have created in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how to create and set up your project, then please go to watch that video. We have mentioned its link below in the description box. To start it, we'll remove this text view, which was the part of our previous video. Now this is a palette window where you can find all elements to go with for to make a powerful Android app design. In Common tab, we have very basic elements like text view, button, image view, and some other elements which we'll talk later. In Text tab, you will find all the input field types, widgets, layouts, containers, Google. From Google tab, you can find elements related to Google services, like if you monetize your app for earning and you want to provide an ad for user to watch it, ad view will do its job. And if you want to implement Google Maps into your application, map view is the element which will show the Google map inside your application. So I came here with very basic design idea which is related to login activity, where we will design a login activity by ourselves. We'll attach an image view for to show the cover image which I already have designed inside Photoshop for my official website jobme.pk. Before going further, take in mind that we must need these images into our drivable package, which you will find inside the resources package. I'll copy my images into drivable package and then just drag and drop the image view from Common tab. Here it will ask for the image you want to show inside image view. So according to my design idea, I need cover image first to show it at the top of activity. We are working with constraint layout, which is very useful nowadays in Android Studio. If you are working with the constraint layout and you put an element inside it, you must have set constraints horizontally and vertically. So just drag this top constraint anchor to the top of the parent, left with the left of the parent and right with the right of the parent. We'll leave bottom. We don't need bottom to be constrained because we'll provide a custom height. And width, we'll set it as match constraint because we want its side to be fixed with the sides of the parent. If your image size and image view size does not fit the screen, then you can find a scale type inside image view attributes to manage your image scale. With the image view, which I'll choose fit X, Y in my case. Now according to my design idea, I want my logo to be shown in the middle of cover, but half should be shown from outside of the cover image. So for logo, once again we'll drag image view and choose my new app logo. Constrain its top with the top of cover image view because we need some margin from top to manage our design look like dynamic. Constrain its left and right with the parent as we did for the cover image view. Here we want our logo at very center of the cover. Adjust its width and height according to your satisfactory. Now adjust some margin from top to do some magic for your design. Drag text view to show text which appeals user that this activity is for to login account. Constrain its top to the bottom of logo image view and sides with the parent. Write text as login account. Adjust text size from text view attributes tab. We need two text fields. One is to ask for username and other for to ask for user password. So just come inside the text tab, drag plain text for username, constrain its top to the bottom of login account text view, sides with the sides of parent. For width, choose match constraint to fit with screen and adjust margins to make it attractive. Remove name from text and provide a hint as type username. Drag password from text tab, constrain its top to the bottom of username edit text, its sides with the parent as we did for username, adjust margins and provide hint text as type password. Now here we need to provide two buttons, one for to create account and other for login account action. So go to common tab inside palette, drag button, constrain its bottom to the bottom of parent because we want our button to be shown at bottom of screen according to the design idea. Constrain its sides with the sides of parent, adjust margin and match constraint for with attribute and replace text as create account. Drag another button, constrain its bottom to the top of create account button because we want it to be shown above the create account. Constrain its sides with the sides of parent, adjust margins as we did for create account button, and change its text as login account. You can see our basic login activity design is ready to run on Emulator. Just run it by choosing your emulator or real device if you have attached. Compile your changes from here. Wait for the emulator to run your application. This is our final running design for Android login activity. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to create account and login account using Firebase, which is very powerful and mostly used service powered by Google. So guys, that's all for today. Hope we will meet in next tutorial. Until you guys should like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you are new or have not subscribed to my channel, then please go to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on bell icon to get latest videos notifications. Thanks for watching.